In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to open ZILINGO account. So let's go. One, username. You have to create a username. For example, let's just go to any username. You can just put your name and your surname or something like that. For example, let's put goat here and let's add number. Goat is very important. You must add number. Goat 2 4. You see, yeah. Then your password, that is up to you. You can put anything you like. For me, I'm going to put something I like, so something I will remember, not just something I like. So confirm the same password, put it down again. So you go down here where there is this flag. Like if you're in Nigeria, just type your country in Nigeria. It will show. For me, I'm Italy, so I just put Italy here. The reason you are putting it is you have to put your number, the phone number. Put your recent phone number, please. Not go put number wey don lost since 90 beginning. So put your recent phone number here. So you're going to put the phone number there. Yeah. So this verification code, you are going to put it like you see it here. It's 6273. They just want you to put it so that they will confirm that you are not a robot. So 273. After doing that, so you press the register. Yeah, after you press the register now, after filling those stuff, so it will take you here. You see, this is the page where we take you. So just the thing will take you straight to this place. In order to get the application, in order to download the application, so you will have to download the application. So go enter this mine. I say me mine, this mine. So press the mine and press this app download. You see this app download down here. After the down one, this last one, app download. So press the app download. It will take you to the Play Store or PlayStation or Apple Store to download the app. So after you have done that, after you have downloaded it, then you will need to put your username. You remember I told you to like write your username down. You will need to put your username and your password. So make sure you have that written down because you will need it after you download the application. So in order to start making money, right, that is the reason why we create the application, or that's the reason why we are here. So we want to start making money. In order to start making money, is you have to press this grab. As you can see, this grab automatically grab, but you can't do that because you have to deposit money first. You have to deposit at least 100 euro first. So in order to deposit, you need to go to this mine also. Then as you can see, the yellow one here, the yellow box, press deposit. It will take you to this place. So my next video, I will be doing the next video after you watch this video. So the next one, try to look for the next one in my channel there. So in that place, I will be teaching you how to deposit funds into here, like how to deposit, because here you have to deposit a USDT. So how to deposit a USDT, I will be teaching you in that video. So guys, please. And also we'll be creating a WhatsApp group. So in case you have problem or you have question or you have anything there, we are going to be helping you to do everything. In case you don't want to download, you don't want to go through the Binance stuff and buy crypto and put and do stuff, just in the group you can just DM us and we'll help you to do the deposit, send you everything you need. So it's very easy. So please, I would recommend you join the group. There are a lot of people there and everybody is communicating there. So yeah, I would recommend you join the group. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate it. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, don't forget. Peace.